Okay. Oh. Pa. We are the children of the world. Yan, ganyan pala ha. Then I will put the potato. Okay. And guys, I will put this instant Thai yellow curry. Ayan. And I put small amount of reduced fat milk California Sunshine. Yeah. Okay. Put the cover. Yan, kumukulo na kumukulo. Okay, let me see. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. I put small amount of salt. This is a different curry, guys. The well-known cook is chicken curry, right? This is yellow curry, instant Thai yellow curry. It's like in the restaurant, maybe. Yeah, it's like in the restaurant, maybe. Let me test. It's very, very, very delicious. At kukuha ako ng 2 hiwa dito para sa akin. Delicious. Yan. Palutuin muna natin ng maigi. Kasi ayaw nila yung hindi malambot. Kaya kailangan palambutin ng palambutin. Okay. Turn off ko na. Turn off. Ayan. Woo! Guys. Kumukulo. Pag nagluluto ako, guys, stay lang dito. Hindi ko nilalagay sa bowl. Stay lang to dito sa kawali. Kaya tino-turn off ko na. So, it's done cooking. This is for dinner. At kukuha ako ng 2 dyan para sa akin. Okay. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Don't forget the hit like button. And put the comment nice below. And put the comment, the nice comment. Put the comment, the nice comment, guys. The nice comment. Please put the nice comment below. And I hope you enjoy watching my cooking today. And shout out Lani Parish. Milayans, welcome back home in YT. Finally, I hope just continues your YT even you are in the province. And shout out to you, my friends in YouTube, bloggers, Kadungis TV Junior, DG Heart, Anis Memories Vlog, Abe's Family Vlogs, My Bisdak, Celia Morov W, Lando Iglesias, Dom Spogi 23 Lord Isabel, and Ledia Molye, Happy Lax, Tits Worldwide. Thank you all the support of my channel, and Smiley Gamer, Lawrence Broussard, and thank you guys to all support and always watching my videos. That's very good watching my videos. I am very appreciated to all of you watching my videos. I hope you enjoy and don't give up watching my videos, guys, and put the nice comment below. And thank you so much. Thank you so much all support from Kadungis Heart team. And I will shout out to you, Celia Agustin, my sise in live stream. She always supportive to me in my live stream. And also Yang TV Manalele, Lando Iglesias, and what is that? And thank you sometimes, and not sometimes. Thank you so much, Craig Parish, the husband of Sislani Paris. Thank you all. Thank you the support of my live stream. And Money Matters, shout out to you, Money Matters. Yan, thank you. Finally, I gonna shout out to you here in my with cooking. So,